Welcome to the study at the University of Chicago. As you can see, it's a nice modern new hotel, feeling much like, pardon me, a study. So let's go up and see our room. Actually, we'll start just to show you a couple things down here. You'll check in over here. They have nice gingerbread cookies. There's also a restaurant known as Truth Be Told that is well regarded and open from 7 to 10, I understand. As I said, there are the great cookies at the front desk, so definitely worth checking that out. Nice, comfortable areas to sit, to read, and I suppose to study. So our room today is going to be up on 10. Hey.
Going up. Fifth floor.
Hi. Hey.
Going up.
So that's the 5th floor. Now, as you know, we usually like not to disturb other folks, so we had to take a quick pause there. Thanks for your patience.
10th floor.
Now, our room today is 1001. As you can see again, this is actually very comfortable, and I think it's primarily intended for folks visiting the university right here on the University of Chicago's Hyde Park campus. So here we go, 1001. Looks like some sort of corner. I'll take that. Let's check it out. First impressions, pretty fun, pretty nice. So, as you can see here, we have some nice prints, some nice decorative artwork. It's actually a relatively warm day here, so we'll turn on the AC a little bit more. A comfortable place to set your bag, which we will do right now. It's getting a bit heavy. Nice, actually really nice view of the Midway and of campus, which we're actually on campus, but this would be the other side of the campus. And in fact, it's a little bit hazy here, but you can see in the distance the city of Chicago, downtown in the Loop. So, and I think that is Rockefeller Chapel, and Bond Chapel is just a little further over. Wow, this is great. As you can see, you know, the name of the hotel is called The Study, but I'm actually really liking this room because, in fact, it has great places to work, which is what I'm going to be doing next. And actually a really nice bookshelf. And wow, this is like better than most apartments I ever had. I'll totally stay here again. So the bed and everything else looks new. There is, it looks like a small kitchenette and a refrigerator. That's cool. Coffee maker. It looks like Nespresso or similar. All right. Some nice reading lights. And again, you know, a lot of nice touches. So far, this is, I'm really a big fan of this property and of this room. I think this was called the King Study type of room. I'm not familiar with all the room types, but it really wasn't too much at all. Let's see if we can turn it on. The bathroom also, oh good. Bigelow Bath Products, I'm liking that. And I'll just tell you, it looks super clean, well lit. A nice dressing area, closet to hang things in. yeah, really, all in all, here, we'll turn on this light too. Really, all in all, I'm gonna say this is top notch. I'm a big fan, and we'll probably share some videos later of other things going on around campus. But wow, these are $1 million views, and you know, of course, University of Chicago has a great campus, and it's always fun to visit and to be a part of things here. And what easier way than to do it and to stay here. Again, this is probably my favorite area, this corner study area with nice reading lamps and area to sit. I think I could totally hang there. And here you can see some of the fields. I think this way is the law school, the college, across the way. And then through this wall would be the Harris School and some of the other research centers. So, and I think central administration maybe over that way. But anyway, thanks for watching. Leave any questions and hope you have a good one. Thanks.